inside, still inside. Still there, clear. Keep giving the bottom up. Still going to be coming inside here, give them a lane.
No power steering, done.
Copy on no power steering.
Hey, just bring it down pit road.
Alright, I'm going to get you a hole here. 2 coming inside. Be coming inside here. They're 2 wide behind you. Go high here, go high, go high, go high. Inside, inside. You'll be clear down after the 47. Clear down, come to pit. Pit, pit, pit. Second gear, 3300. Line, now.
It happens on entry into the center. No power steering into entry into the center. So you got power steering right now, but none into the center, right? Gone from entry to the center. It's gone. Pull in. Try again right here. 1 away. Stop. Stop. Don't cross the line. Push it back. Push it back. Pull the hood. Okay. Just go ahead, go out pit road, and then just turn it in behind the wall and put it in a garage. We're done for the day.
All right, you're about 10 away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn in. All right, wrap around will be coming in this next time around here. Wrap around. You're going to have a safety truck down bottom. Turn left, left. All right, your turn is going to be right here. Turn in. You're going to make a tight left here. Tight left if you can make it. All right, Carl, I'm hopping off of here. He's behind the wall.
Get 4, we'll head over there and check it out, but I think we're probably done.
That's it. I'll keep a headset on.
Get 4, thanks.
Now.
No steering on entry to the center. Then after the center, it'll come back to me.
Do you lose your steering when you're going to hit the brakes, basically?
If we're on the brakes, it just goes away. You know, wait until after the center, I get it back.
Copy on that. Carl, he's behind the Love's trailer, the front row trailer, spot 33 if you guys didn't see him.
I'm trying to get over there.
All good.
Done, Carl?
Stay in the car. He's coming over.
David, I don't know what it is that I need to fix it, but I know it's the issue. We're just off. I feel like we just probably should fold it up for today. What's your thoughts? Tempo, buddy, no problem. You know, just getting into the corner right when I was shifting, you got to put wheel into it. It's just no power steering, you know. You don't get it back until past the center, you know what I mean?
Well, I don't see any chance of taking any more risk on us. We're already dead last, and ain't nobody really going on, so let's just go ahead and be done with it.
Yeah, tempo, buddy. Thank y'all.
All right, I'm hopping off here, Carl. All right, guys, I'm hopping off of here.